the afternoon, warm on the water, easy and slow. Pulled up here by the edge of the lake, where the first of the narrows goes. The sail fell loose, the hull sat light, the mast gave a little ringing sound, and all that bright April weather just settled soft around. No hurry left in the day now, no need to say a thing. Just the reeds, the breeze, the shoreline, and the place where the water's thin. Here where the narrows begin, lake light running silver and thin. Pelicans drifting like old white boats, turning slow in the afternoon wind. Nothing much asked of the moment, nothing to prove or defend, just warm air, quiet water. Here where the narrows begin. Tea tree holding the water line, gum stood back along the rise. A white-faced heron kept its distance, a seagull circling high. Fish rose once and then were gone, a rain moved out and disappeared. Half the world was made of light, with hardly a sound to hear. Here where the narrows begin, lake light running silver and thin. Pelicans drifting like old white boats, turning slow in the afternoon wind. Nothing much asked of the moment, nothing to prove or defend, just warm air, quiet water. Here where the narrows begin. You'd hardly know what burned here once. Time has worked the edges clean. A few dark trunks back in the distance, but mostly gold and green. The country does what country does, it keeps its own slow reckonings. And 6 years on this mild old shore has folded fire back in. I've known big weather, crossing tides, the chop, the pull, the sudden squall, but days like this are what stay with you more than the hardest days of all. Not for noise, not for glory, not for some grand design, just for a boat, a lake, a shoreline, and a patch of borrowed time. Here where the narrows begin, late sunlight on the paper bark skin. Pelicans drift